Hey there, it's Steve from Serious Keto, and in this video we're going to try out 3 more products from Chipmunk Baking. A few weeks ago, Jayden and I did a review of 5 of the cookies from Chipmunk Baking, and if you didn't see that review, we'll link to it right up there. We really like the cookies from Chipmunk Baking, but like most keto products, they were a little on the expensive side. Now, Chipmunk Baking is just a 2-guy operation. They're a startup. It's a great story. I'll link to it down below so you can read about them. But when we did the review, my least favorite of their cookies was the chocolate chip cookie. And I found out afterwards from David at Chipmunk Baking that the chocolate chip cookie they sent me was their vegan option. One of the things that we're going to be trying out today is their cookie mix. And this is the chocolate chip cookie mix, non-vegan. Pretty straightforward. All we need to do is add an egg and a half a stick of butter. So let's make this and try it out. We have our half stick of butter. We have 1 egg. And our bag of cookie mix. Scrape down the edges. Now this is supposed to yield 22 cookies. I have a number 50 disher here and a cookie sheet lined with a silicone mat that has 24 cookies. So let's see how close we come to the 22. All right, I got 20, so pretty close. Now I don't know how much these are going to spread out, so I'm going to just pat them down a little bit, kind of like I did with my Turtle Sundae cookies. And then these are going to go into a 350-degree oven. And we'll let these bake for 12 to 15 minutes. All right, it looks like I probably didn't need to pat any of these down because they did spread out, but now we'll let them cool, then we'll give them a taste. So we have Jayden and Colton here. Colton, if you saw that other video, you know that he kind of stole the show a little bit. So, are you gonna steal the show again today? We might even give you a taste of cookie. You gonna wave? You waving? Waving at yourself? All right. So, when we had those chocolate chip cookies before, they were vegan. No, not yet. These are not vegan. You ready? Here we go. I definitely like these better than the vegan ones.
Me too. These are homemade, right?
These are made from their mix. And I think, didn't we calculate the price per cookie was like close to $3? Mm-hmm. This mix is, I think, $14.99, and I made 20 cookies out of it. So definitely the way to go, I think. And it doesn't require a whole lot of baking skill. I mean, half a stick of butter and an egg.
It's pretty good.
So next we have these red velvet sunflower cookies. And I already had one of these. I'll give you one and I'll let you split it with Colton. I think he's going to like that. How do you think?
You like them? Yeah.
I mean, they're really moist, and the flavor, it's just awesome. I think it's the perfect amount of sweet. These, definitely a winner.
Those are good.
Another little bite? Here.
I really want another one of these. These taste very, very, very close to actual chocolate chip cookies. And they're soft, and I wish the chocolate chips were bigger, but yeah, other than that. Colton seems to like them too.
So we have the Colton seal of approval on this. Now the last product that I have to review, we're going to wait for Courtney to get home on because it's a sweetener. And she and I had done a review of, I think, 20 different non-sugar sweeteners before. So it'll be good to get her perspective on that. You want to wave bye-bye?
So bye-bye.
Oh, good job.
Bye-bye.
Good wave.
Good job.
Yay. Yay. Clap. Good job.
Yay.
So we're getting everybody in on this video. We have Courtney here to try out the sweetener, but she saw the cookies and figured she should probably get to try out the cookies too. So why don't you grab one of the chocolate chip cookies?
Good. It's very soft, and I like that there's not that many chocolate chips,
Yes.
because I don't like it when there's too many chocolate chips, and I like it when you can taste the cookie and it's got a nice texture to it. It's good.
It's not too sweet either. The problem is you're going to get done with that and you're going to want another one because they're not too sweet. You can kind of just keep eating them.
Very good.
But I got another cookie for you here when you finish that one.
Oh, okay.
So these are red velvet sunflower. So probably right in your wheelhouse in
I
terms
like
of flavor.
red velvet. Good. It's like a red velvet cupcake.
And I believe just 1 net gram of carbs per little cookie. Good stuff. So the last thing we have to try out is this Allumonk. It's an allulose monk fruit blend. Now, when we had tried out the allulose before, we found it was all right. I mean, it's not super duper sweet, like 60% of sugar sweetness, and it didn't have any of the sort of nasty aftertaste to it.
Unlike the monk fruit.
The monk fruit, which we went and we had straight up, it reminded me of like rubber or burning rubber. And if you smell this, you can smell that monk fruit smell to it. So, a little spoon for you, a little spoon for me. All right, you ready?
Yep.
I get some of that monk fruit at the very, very front, but then it goes away.
Ah, it's in my mouth now again.
See, I think this is a lot better than the monk fruit, obviously, that we had. I don't think the monk fruit is that strong on it. I think this is going to be interesting to bake with.
I think it'd be good to bake with.
It's what they use in all of their cookies. And you don't taste any of that monk fruit. So I think in terms of a baking sort of sweetener, we have a winner here. So like I said, I will include a link to Chipmunk Baking down in the description below, along with a special coupon code so you can get 15% off any purchase. And I think that the cookie mix is an absolute...
Definitely a win.
That's totally a winner. I'm gonna have to see if they've got the peanut butter cookie mix because that stuff, OMG. Their peanut butter cookies, super, super awesome.
Yeah, really good. I don't really like a healthy cook. You know, all those, if it's not a real cookie, it's usually not too good. But these, like, they're good. They're like, it's like eating a real Nestle cookie.
Yep.
They're really good.
I agree.
Yeah.
All right. Well, hey, what do we say?
See you next time. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.